This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Venetian M37 is a Class A RV. It is located in Rancho Cordova, California, 95742 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Sacramento. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, front entertainment, outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Thor motor coach Venetian M37 is built on a Freightliner XC-R chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.